Hello everyone, welcome. How to find the value of x for this German math Olympiad question 3 to the power x plus 3 power x is equal to 30. So we will find x, let's come to the solution. 3 power x plus 3 power x, this left hand side we can factor out 3 power x. So inside here 1 plus 1 will be left and this whole thing is equal to 30. 3 power x into 1 plus 1 which is 2 is equal to 30. Now dividing both sides by 2. These 2 from denominator and from numerator cancel out each other. Here we will left with 3 power x is equal to 2 multiplied by 15, we get 30. So now we have 3 power x is equal to 15. 3 power x is equal to 15. We can write this 15 as 3 multiplied by 5. Now taking log on both sides. So this will become log of 3 power x is equal to log of 3 multiplied by 5. Now using a logarithmic properties, that if we have log of m to the power n, this is equal to n log of m. Another property we will use here, which is a log of m multiplied by n, this is equal to log of m plus log of n. By using these property here, the above equation will become as log of 3 power x. We can write this as x log of 3 is equal to, at the right hand side we will apply this property. So this will become log of 3 plus log of 5. As our job is to find the value of x, so dividing both sides by log 3. So this log 3 from denominator and from numerator cancel out each other. Here x is equal to dividing log 3 by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. So x is equal to this log 3 and log 3 cancel out. We will left with 1 plus another logarithmic property we will use here. This property as if we have log of m divided by log of n, then this is equal to log of m to the base n. So this we will write as log of 5 to the base 3. This is the value of x. Now we will verify this, whether this value of x, which is 1 plus log 5 to the base 3, is valid for the given expression or invalid. In the verification process, we will use x 1 plus log 5 to the base 3 here. So this will become 3 power x, which is 1 plus log 5 to the base 3 plus 3 power 1 plus log 5 to the base 3, whether it is equal or not equal to 30. Now by using an algebraic property, that if we have a power m plus n, this is equal to a power m multiplied by a power n. By using this will become 3 power 1 multiplied by 3 power log 5 to the base 3 plus 3 power 1 into 3 power log 5 to the base 3, and at the right hand side we have 30. Now we will use the logarithmic property here, that if we have x power log y to the base x, then this is equal to y. If we have x power log y to the base x, this is equal to y. Using this property, so this will become 3 power 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by, as 3 here and 3 here, so this is value of x and y is 5, so this whole will become as 5 plus 3 multiplied by 3 and 3, and this is y, so we get 5 is equal to 30. Now 3 multiplied by 5, 15, plus 3 multiplied by 5, 15 is equal to 30. 15 plus 15, 30 is equal to 30. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our answer x is equal to 1 plus log 5 to the base 3 is valid for this given expression. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please